Yeehaw! Whoa. Whoa, buddy.
Oh, that would have been a terrible thing.
Yep.
That would have been a terrible thing.
Yep. Yeehaw! Whoa. Whoa, buddy.
Oh, that would have been a terrible thing.
Yep.
That would have been a terrible thing.
Yep.
Oh, an accident won't be good.
Yep, that wouldn't be good, would it?
No.
Come on around, buddy.
You didn't see that?
Come on around, buddy. Come on around there, buddy. Come on around, buddy. Pull over. You want me to pull over? You want me to, you want to pull over? You want to pull over? Let's go. Pull over. Come on around, buddy.
You didn't see that?
Come on around, buddy. Come on around there, buddy. Come on around, buddy. Pull over. You want me to pull over? You want me to, you want to pull over? You want to pull over? Let's go. Pull over. Let's go. Let's go. You want to pull over?
You gonna get in a fist fight?
Maybe.
Says maybe. Says maybe. What is there? Maybe it was just them two.
You saw us fighting. I was
Okay.
in the lane before you.
Okay.
Did we talk
All
about
right.
over there?
Okay. Yeah, I got dash cam, so we'll see.
We can look at it.
All right. Well, I have to download it to my phone, but I have a dash cam here, dash cam there, and the conversation is being recorded right now.
Okay, you want to...
So if you want to call the police and exchange information, we can do that.
We can do that.
Okay.
All right.
Bet. Go ahead. Yeah.
The law taking these hyper-aggressive positions to try to knock Trump out of the race are counterproductive. They backfire. As you know, he feeds.
There are always people trying to provoke me when I'm out, especially lately. I don't know what this is, a new phenomenon. Before we get to my favorite story of the day, that California's going to hate, Biden has now caved yet again to the climate alarm.
Are you insane?
Ну не надо тебе, на генератор тебе достаточно щеток, я тебе, я тебе серьезно говорю. Вот.
Ton of water. One corn stalk can release up to like 4 cups of water a day. One stalk. Wow.
4 hours later.
There was a girl standing there, but
Attempting to take him on a walk.
Was that the aggressive dog?
Watch out! Watch out!
What the hell was going on? Thank you. You saved my life.
oh my God, saved all of us. I
thought you
can't
saw
handle.
lane. Idiot. Learn to fucking drive. Just get in the right lane on that roundabout. It's very dangerous there.
You can tell me what you want. They did the same thing.
Well, that doesn't make it right, does it?
No, but you can't shout at me for getting it.
You nearly drove into me because of it, so just be careful on the roundabout is all I'm saying.
Don't
Yeah.
talk to me like that.
Shut up.